Hey guys, welcome back Natipal T, and today I'm gonna be showing you step by step on how to add transitions in iMovies. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, before starting this video, I have to announce you guys what I have been planning yesterday. So I planned on challenging myself to upload every single day, a video every single day only for this week. It's gonna be a tough week because I have to edit, upload, film, edit, upload, add a title, add keywords, add details, make thumbnails, and a lot of work to do, and it's gonna be really tough. And because I also need to do my schoolwork, chores, and etc. So it's gonna be a tough week. And then it's for you guys. And if you want challenges like this in the future, then comment down below this video and then get this video to 100 likes, not 100,000, only 100 likes. So if you want challenges like in the future, then 100 likes, and then I challenge you guys to like and subscribe in the same time. And also the day for this week is subscribe. So let's go on how to add transition on Imovies. So it's very easy to do that. First, what you have to do is, after going to a new project on iMovies, there are 5 options that you can choose: My Media, Audio, Titles, Background, Transitions. So I have done videos about backgrounds and titles, but this video is transition, so I have covered 3 parts. And then My Media is nothing. It's just like when you add something on iMovies, it just saves there. That's nothing. But the last thing that I need to show you guys is audio, and that video will be released tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So to add a transition, simply click on transitions, and then there are various templates that you can add. Transition. So my personal favorite one is the faded white. So to add it, simply click on right here and then drag and drop it to the page I need to add the transition to. So if I play it now, so that's with the transition, and let me remove this and then show you what's without the transition. So I'm gonna edit this part, and then from the intro itself, blah. Basically, iMovies is so it's just a plain thing, but if I add a transition, it makes it more professional and then more attractive. So then the viewers like to watch these kind of videos when you add transitions. Now, my personal favorite one is a fade to white, but you can add many things like the circle open, circle close, doorway, swap, cube, mouse, wipes left, wipe right, wipe up, wipe down, slide left, slide right, puzzle left. So there are more and more like this on the future, and there are more. So my second favorite one is that the crow zoom. It's like blurring and then like time traveling. So I'm gonna add transition. So let me play it now. So let me let me edit the audio part, and then so it's like a Back to the Future thing. Not Back to the Future, but time traveling, but somehow that's cool. So if you want to learn how to add audio effects on iMovies, click up the banner right here. It will be available after tomorrow. So if you're watching this video now, then you're unlucky, but if you're watching this tomorrow, that means you're lucky that you have the chance to click the banner right here. So yeah, thank you for watching these videos. Like and subscribe at the same time. That's your challenge. And then the day for this week is subscribe. So goodbye.
She steady dripping Sailor on, she got the perfect face. Thumbing through the deck of 52 and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like that.